9 cancer-fighting foods. The foods that you eat play a big role in keeping cancer away or inviting cancer. That's why it is important that, if you are at a higher risk of developing cancer, or you have recently been diagnosed with cancer, or you have undergone cancer treatment, you need to eat certain foods which will truly lower the risk of developing cancer. In all honesty, there is not one single magic food that is going to keep cancer away, but you can include a combination of foods in your diet that will effectively work to lower the risk of cancer. Let's get straight into it. Number 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are one among the best cancer-fighting foods that you can eat. Fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, mandarins, etc. are packed with vitamin C. And vitamin C is such a powerful antioxidant that it will only make your immune system stronger and make you less prone to infections, but it will also lower the risk of cancers. And also, if you have had cancer before and you are undergoing treatment, or even before you were diagnosed with cancer, the antioxidants in your body were already fighting off the cancer cells and free radicals in the body that can cause cancer. So you need to eat citrus fruits to keep getting vitamin C and the antioxidants present in the citrus fruits to enable your body to keep fighting cancer cells and other infections. Moreover, vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin, which means it is not stored in the body. So you need to eat vitamin C-rich foods such as citrus fruits daily to make sure your body gets its recommended intake of vitamin C. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea is another potent beverage which will help fight cancer cells. This is because green tea contains flavonoids, a polyphenol, more simply compounds, that have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. And thus, regular intake of green tea can help lower the risk of cancers, and the flavonoids in green tea can also help prevent the development and growth of skin tumors. Moreover, green tea can also help with weight loss by increasing the body's metabolism fat oxidation, and if you maintain a healthy body weight, then the chances of cancers recurring are greatly reduced. A healthy body weight not only helps to keep cancers away, but will also lower the risk of developing chronic diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular or heart diseases. Also, if you suffer from brain fog or have problems with mental clarity after cancer treatments, also known as chemo brain, then green tea can also help with those conditions. Number 3. Berries. All berries, be it strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, or whichever berry it is that you like to eat, are excellent cancer-fighting foods. This is because berries are rich in antioxidants and are also a good source of fiber. And high levels of both antioxidants as well as fiber in the body will help to lower the risk of cancers. Not only this, but berries are also packed with a panoply of vitamins that will contribute to your overall health. So make sure to eat berries and also citrus fruits as mentioned previously to help lower your risk of cancer and to make your immune system stronger. Also, eating fruits regularly will aid in maintaining a healthy body weight, which is a strong factor that affects the recurrence of cancer after treatment, and well, the benefits they provide will help you live longer. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are also very good cancer-fighting foods. This includes vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and even Brussels sprouts. Cruciferous vegetables are high in fiber, and a higher intake of fiber in the diet has been associated with a lower risk of cancer, especially colorectal cancers. This is because when fibers meet with the good bacteria in your gut, they produce butyrate, and this butyrate helps the cells to stay healthy so that tumors are less likely to develop. Cruciferous vegetables not only help to lower the risk of colorectal cancer, but they also reduce the risk of developing prostate, breast, and cancers of the mouth, also known as oral cancer. Number 5. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are also foods that you need to include in your diet to help lower the risk of cancer. This includes foods like mackerel, salmon, and sardines. Fatty fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, and these are healthy fats which lower inflammation in the body, and also they slow down the growth of cancer cells and prevent new cancer cells from dividing and spreading, metastasis. Regular consumption of fatty fish also helps the body to fight oxidative stress, which can cause damage to DNA and lead to the development of cancer. The omega-3 fatty acids in the fatty fish also help to fight depression and can even boost your mood. So make sure to try and include fatty fish in your diet at least once a week to help reduce the risk of developing cancers. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds might look very small, but they are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. They are so tiny yet so powerful. Only a small serving of nuts and seeds such as pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, almonds, and walnuts will deliver the antioxidants, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids to your body that will help to lower the risk of cancer. Eating nuts and seeds regularly has been associated with a lower risk of developing cancers of the lung, colon, and pancreas. Number 7. Green leafy vegetables. Just like cruciferous vegetables, green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and other types of green leafy vegetables are also very good for lowering the risk of cancers and fighting cancer cells. These foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, which will all help to protect you against cancer. The green leafy vegetables contain carotenoids that help to boost the body's own antioxidant defenses, which can then fight off free radicals that can damage DNA and lead to cancer. This is why, if you are at a great risk of developing cancer, or if you are a cancer survivor, or you are undergoing cancer treatment, you need to eat plenty of vegetables. Eating your veggies will help a lot in fighting cancer. Of course, it can be hard at first to eat so many veggies at once, especially if you are not used to it, but you can try to include one vegetable and then two and so on, so as not to overwhelm yourself. In the long run, aiming for half a plate of vegetables as you are eating food is a good target. Number 8. Legumes. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and even beans such as black beans are excellent food options to lower the risk of cancer. Legumes are high in fiber, and as mentioned previously, the higher intake of fiber in the diet, the lower the chances of developing cancers. Beans can also significantly lower the risk of colorectal and breast cancer. Legumes and beans also have polyphenols in them, and these polyphenols have anti-cancer properties. Number 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are another great food that you need to include in your diet to fight cancers. This is because tomatoes contain lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant, and as you already know, antioxidants help your body fight free radicals and lower oxidative stress that can damage cells and cause cancer. The combination of tomatoes and garlic can also help to lower the risk of developing cancer. This is because garlic contains what is known as organosulfides, and these compounds have been associated with decreasing the risk of certain cancers. So, tomatoes and also garlic are foods that you can include in your diet to fight cancer. Other foods that you can include in your diet to fight cancer are whole grain foods, and foods which are included in the Mediterranean diet is also proven to lower the risk of developing cancers. So, you can look it up and then try to include some of the foods in that diet to fight cancer. Another important factor, exercise can play a role in lowering the risk of cancers. If you maintain an active lifestyle, you will not only lower the risk of cancers, but those of heart attacks and strokes as well. And regular physical activity will also help with stress and overall well-being. Until next time, take good care.